Welcome to Narisaki. Today I have a dessert which is good for constipation, good for new mothers, for lactation, and also good for your bones. So it's Bajra ka kheer, Bajra ka wrap, which is very tasty. Also, we are going to make it. So I've taken ghee, 1 tablespoon. For new mothers, you add more ghee. It's good for them. Then I'm going to add ajwain. Ajwain is good for releasing the gas. New mothers have gas. Even if you're constipating, you have gas. So let ajwain pop up a little bit, just for 1 minute. Gas is on low. And now to this, we are going to add bajra flour. You get it in the market. Some people make it at home also. So this is bajra flour. Add 2 tablespoons because it makes a lot of this porridge. And we are going to roast this bajra flour in this ghee very nicely, because roasting is very good. The combination of ghee and bajra is very healthy, and especially during winter season, many people get constipation, so it's a very good porridge. So this is roasted, and you will feel roasted for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame, but you'll feel the taste, the aroma and the color change. Now I'm going to add water. I'm adding about 2 glasses of water for 2 tablespoons. If you want a thin consistency, then add more water, because this will get thickened as it is cooking and after it cools down. One thing is you need to cook it properly. So this is the whole purpose of roasting it in the ghee, so that bitterness or that raw flavor is gone. So I'm adding water to this. And even if you have cough, cold, and you're having this, and even for new mothers, add dry ginger powder. It will help to release all the gas in the body. Equal amount of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of bajra flour, 2 tablespoons of jaggery. You can adjust it as per your choice. Stir it, and bajra flour won't form lumps when you're cooking it. So that's a good part of it. Some people after cooking it, they add milk, because I have added jaggery, so you cannot add milk when it's boiling. So when it gets cooled down, you can add some milk if you want, but I like to have it just like this. It tastes really good, and it's a perfect breakfast on cold winter days. It really boosts your system. It just kicks your digestion system. So do try this, and if you have any questions, let me know, because this is a very healthy porridge. Thank you for watching, and this is the consistency. I have kept it, but it's your choice again. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you.